Question 6. 240 kilograms of maize and 150 kilograms of beans are shared among families. Each family gets exactly the same mass of either maize or beans, but no family gets both. We want the least possible number of families. Here's the key idea. To have the fewest families, each family must get the biggest possible equal share. The largest mass that divides both 240 and 150 exactly is their highest common factor. So we find the HCF of 240 and 150. Let's break each number into its prime factors. 240 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 2 to the 4. Times 3 times 5. 150 is 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. The highest common factor uses only the primes that appear in both lists, each at its lowest power. Both share 1 2, 1 3, and 1 5. So the HCF is 2 times 3 times 5, which is 30. Each family gets 30 kilograms. Now divide each amount by 30. The maize, 240 over 30, is 8 families. The beans, 150 over 30, is 5 families. The least number of families is 8 plus 5, which is 13. Well done. That's question 6 complete.